Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with Tina from Tina's Reborns and More, and Dory from Dory's Dollies. And we made little Halloween dresses for our Wellie Wishers, American Girl Wellie Wishers. This is such a fun size to sew for. They're big enough it makes it easy and small enough it doesn't take a lot of fabric. I bought Camille used. I buy, well, pre-loved is what I've always called them. Um, I got her on eBay. I absolutely love this little doll. Darren made her stand, which I absolutely love. Um, the pattern that I used was I meant to bring it out, but I didn't. I believe it was a simplicity pattern. I was going to add an orange collar to this, like Wednesday Adamish, but the pattern called for trim or lace around the neck. And I thought, oh, but then I found some orange lace that I had in my, well, let's just call it stash. And I thought it looked pretty cute. So this is the little dress that I made for my little girl for Halloween. And I went up into the, well, Dory calls them vault. I went upstairs into the holiday closet and I found some little black shoes, and I thought the pumpkin charm was better than buttons. Thank you, ladies, so much. I love doing these collabs. Dory and Tina are really fun people, just in general. I talk to both of them about every single day. Be sure and go by their channel. Look at their little Wellie Wishers outfits, and give them and myself a like, a comment, and subscribe. Today's song is going to be, what did we decide? Oh yeah, This Is Halloween from the movie. What is the name of that movie? Nightmare Before Christmas. So it's a Christmas, Halloween-ish fun thing. Just put any lines in. If you see the line above in the comments section and you know the following line, put that in your comments. Thank you for watching.